Payday comes. You check your account, and for a moment, you feel rich. But then what happens? Bills, spending, random expenses, and just like that, your money disappears. Again. If this keeps happening to you, listen carefully, because the problem is not your salary. The problem is your system. And today, I'm going to show you a powerful halal system you can follow every single payday to finally take control of your money. Because remember this clearly, you can earn serious money online without compromising your deen. But if you can't manage money, you will never keep it. Let's fix that. Step 1. Pay yourself first. Islamic wealth mindset. The first thing you do when your salary arrives is not to pay bills. It's not spent. It's not see what's left. You pay yourself first. This is a mindset shift. Most people spend, then pay bills, then save what's left. Successful people save, then spend. Why does this matter? Because in Islam, wealth is amanah, a trust, and managing it wisely is part of the responsibility. This is halal because no riba involved. You are protecting your wealth. You are preparing for the future. You are building financial stability. Start simple. 5% if you're a beginner, 10% if you're serious, 15 to 20% if you want real growth. This is your payment to your future self, not optional, non-negotiable. Step 2. Automate your money. Remove weakness. Let's be honest, motivation doesn't last. Discipline is strong, but systems are stronger. So instead of relying on willpower, you automate your finances. Set up automatic savings transfer, automatic halal investment contributions, automatic bill payments. Why is this powerful? Because you remove temptation, you eliminate inconsistency, you build discipline without thinking. This aligns with Islamic finance principles: structured planning, responsible management, avoiding waste, and most importantly, you don't spend what you don't see. Step 3. Use a simple halal budget system. Most people hate budgeting because they think it means restriction, but a budget is not a restriction, it's control. Use a simple structure: needs, wants, savings, or a variation of 50/30/20. Needs: halal obligations, rent, food, transport, bills. These are necessary expenses. Wants: controlled enjoyment, eating out, shopping, entertainment. Islam does not forbid enjoyment, but it must be balanced. Savings/investment, emergency fund, halal investing, future goals. Why is this system halal? Because no interest involved, clear allocation of wealth, avoids waste, israf, encourages balance. This is financial discipline with barakah. Step 4. Eliminate debt, especially riba. Let's be very clear here. Debt, especially interest-based debt, it is one of the biggest financial traps. If you have credit card debt, interest loans, riba-based payments, you must prioritize clearing them. Why? Because riba is strictly prohibited. Interest destroys barakah. It traps you financially. From an Islamic perspective, clearing debt is not just financial, it is spiritual. Use a clear strategy. Focus on one debt at a time. Stay consistent. Avoid taking new riba-based debt. Paying off interest debt is like securing guaranteed relief. Step 5. Plan your enjoyment. This is critical. Most people fail financially because they try to be too strict. They remove all enjoyment, and then they break. Islam is balanced. You are allowed to enjoy your wealth, but it must be controlled. So create a halal enjoyment fund. This includes dining, shopping, personal rewards. Why is this important? Because it prevents burnout. It makes your system sustainable. It keeps you consistent. This is not a waste. This is controlled enjoyment. Bonus: if your income is not stable. If you're a freelancer or earning online, your income may not be consistent. So what do? You create your own system. Build a buffer account. In good months, save extra. In slow months, pay yourself from that buffer. This creates stability and still allows you to follow halal financial principles. The real truth. Most people think, I need more money. But the reality is, they need more discipline. Because without discipline, you waste income, you chase haram shortcuts, you stay stuck. With discipline, you build savings, you avoid riba, you grow wealth, you gain control. And always remember, you can earn serious money online without compromising your deen. But you must also learn how to keep it. If you're tired of money disappearing every month, if you want control over your finances, if you want halal wealth with barakah, subscribe right now, because on this channel, we don't just teach how to make money, we teach how to build halal financial systems. Comment below, discipline with barakah, and tell me, what is the first step you will implement from today? See you in the next video, where we build wealth the halal way, step by step, without riba and without regret.